All right, good afternoon. This is Mr. Gibson. I'm outside Westchester Primary School. This is over on the kindergarten wing, and today I'm going to teach you how to play a little home version of Frisbee Golf. Now, what you're going to need, obviously, is a Frisbee. I have one here, and since I'm outside, you can use any type of Frisbee. If you don't have a Frisbee like this, what you could do is use a top to a margarine container or a Cool Whip container. That's usually a nice, soft, smooth lid, or you can use an aluminum pie pan, and you can use that or a really thick paper plate. If you're playing inside, obviously a paper plate's probably the best way to go. I would not use this, something like that that's hard, it could break things inside the house. But the idea of the game will still remain the same. Now, what you're trying to do in any type of golf game is you're going to start at one spot and try to get down to your goal or to your hole in as few amount of throws as possible. So right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you where I'm starting from, and this is what you can use at your home too. You can start at a tree and then aim for, let's say, another tree. Okay, but to make it simple, Mr. Gibson is going to aim for that brown bench right there. That's going to be my target. So again, I'm trying to throw it in as few amount of throws as possible. Here we go. Ooh, did you hear that sound? That means I got a hole in one. It only took me one throw to get there. So then what I do is I can come up with another hole from that space. So what I can do now is aim for, here we have that big green ball chute that looks like a giant ice cream cone. I'm going to take it from that spot over there and try to put it into that container. That'll be my second hole. Let's try it. All right, here we go. Okay, that's one. And two. Took me two. Now from this spot, I can aim for another spot. And right now, just to make it more interesting, I'm going to go for that tree that's right behind the camera. So I'm coming right towards you. Here it goes. I missed. That's my first shot. Try to finish it up, hopefully, on this second shot. Got it. All right. So that was a hole in one. That took two. That took two. So what's 1 plus 2 plus 2? That's my total score after 3 holes is 5. So that's how you play any type of golf game. Again, you're starting from a spot and seeing how many it takes for you to get it to your target. Now, if you're playing this indoors, obviously if you have a laundry basket, that would work best. And you can move that into your room, or for more challenge, you can move it on the other end of the house, and then that way you have to very carefully throw it through the house. Again, we're using something soft inside to try to get it to the other side into that hole. And after you do it once, you get a score, like mine was 5. So what I would do now, I would do it again, but I would try to beat my score. That would be my challenge. I would try to make it in 4 strokes or less. Okay? All right, and that's how you play any type of Frisbee golf. Good luck with that.